Alright, today on Forever Outdoors, we will be doing a garden update, and we have a special surprise for someone we met at the fishing pond. As you can see, the garden is in full bloom, have big habanero peppers, and a whole bunch of green onions growing right here. We also have bell peppers, which have been slow to grow, but are really taking off right now. See, our hybrid tomatoes are starting to gain some color and really starting to grow in thick. In this garden bed, I wanted to try some intensive gardening, so I grew a lot of squash and was able to fit some cucumbers and some watermelon in there. And as you see, everything is growing really lush. Here we have more hybrid tomatoes. It's 3 plants in these big pots, and as you've seen from the first one, it grows really well. Right here we have a persimmon tree, and this time we're gonna make sure we harvest some and try to do something with them. If you have any ideas, drop them in the comments. Right here is a fig tree. We're gonna try to make our own homemade jam from it. I think it'll turn out really well. I also decided to use the front of the home to plant some green beans. Hopefully we get a nice harvest. Right now we're just gonna check the eggs. Usually we'll get 1 egg in the morning and 2 eggs at night with our 3 chickens. And as you see, even with the family of 4, we get plenty of eggs for our breakfast and any other meals we decide to use them with. These are our new chickens that we're raising for the next generation of egg layers at our homestead. This chicken here is one of our rock chickens. She's very well mannered and easy to handle. The chicken next to it that's all gray is a sapphire chicken.
Come on, Kai, lift the fish pole up. Take him into the ground.
So we met Connor here today at the lake that we're fishing at. First time fishing, right, buddy? You caught a fish with us. That's amazing. Caught a bluegill. How big was it? How big? Yeah, it's about normal size bluegill. Did great though, didn't he? Did he do good?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a fisherman now. So we got him on his first fish, y'all. Now we're looking for number 2. And reel him in. Hold him up. There's number 2. Good job, dude. How's it feel? Good. Oh man, his second fish. That dude's a pro. He just caught his second fish. Man, you're a pro, dude. You're a real pro out here. Just met him at the park today a few minutes ago, people. And he's never fished before. We got him on 2 already. Let's see if we can get number 3.
I knew he was coming.